Hi everyone, so I don't even really know if I want to talk about it, but if you want to see this, you will continue to watch the video. One, I am so sorry about this setup. Like, first of all, never mind my adolescent background, but let's just take a moment for what I am filming on. First of all, that's my tripod, but did I use it? No. No, I didn't, because you see I can't find the piece that hooks my camera into right there. No. And then I had this mini tripod. Can't find that. This is a box. What the box is for, I don't know. And then this is a candle. All of which my camera was sitting on in the attempt to make a good video. Let's be honest. Who was I fooling? Look, I can't even fool. Oh my god. I have concealer on and I have not set it yet, so I'm just going to take the Kat Von D Shade Light palette, use this banana shade, just set my eyes a little bit. So just a light layer. Next I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and this orange peachy transition shade to add some warmth in my crease. And I'm just gonna fluff that all over. I think I'm gonna take this more soft brown shade. I'm gonna run that lower in the crease. Yeah. Put up and starting by tapping it into my outer corner so I get the most pigment there, so I don't have a hard time blending it out. And then I'll slowly take it throughout my crease and blend it in circular motions. And then I'm going to take the more, just a little bit deeper, and take that shade and run it pretty much the same area. I'm going to take this chocolatey brown shade to deepen the crease because I don't use enough color. Run that in there. Using a smaller, more detailed brush, I'm going to take some black to deepen the crease, and because I'm going to be going in with black on the lid, a black base, this will just help ensure that it blends into the crease and isn't just so stark. So I'm just going to tap that on here. And then I'm just going to take this chocolatey brown color that we just went in with before the black and tap that on the edges to help it blend out, so I'm not just going straight into blending out the black. And then I'm going to take another fluffy brush that I want to say has nothing on it, but honestly I'm just going to rub off whatever it does have on it. I'm going with that, I don't know, a little risky. Then I'm going to take some of this red color, reddish brown, and help use that to blend everything. Then I'm going to take a black gel eyeliner, this one is from Maybelline, put that onto my eye. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and mine's all broken and busted. And I'm going to take the darkest shade Granite, and I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to tap that over. Then I'm just going to take that chocolate brown shade on this small detailing brush, go over the edge. Then because I want a little bit more warmth to this look, I'm going to take the shade Element, which is a reddish orange shade, the Gold Reflect, and I'm going to tap that over top. Okay, and then I have it on both eyes, and now I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Kitten Karma. I'm going to put that in my inner corner a little bit, just to add more light. I'm going to take Spectre, tap that right on top. I'm going to take some Element and place that right in between to blend. I'm going to take some of the white shade and use that to highlight my brow bone. Oh, that was a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, then take a makeup wipe and clean up the fallout. To prime, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Fit High Beam. For foundation, I'm going to take my Nasty Makeup Forever HD stick. It doesn't have a cap on it. It's been dug into by toddler fingers several times, several occasions. And I'm going to, instead of drawing it on, I'm going to put it onto my beauty blender. I'm going to tap it in. And it's not my shade. It's a little dark for me right now because I don't go outside, so I have absolutely no tan. But, you see, I counteract that by putting it on my chest and my shoulders and my arms, and then I'll take it maybe down to my legs if I really want to match. But for concealer, the iconic Tarte Shape Tape. We'll just do a little bit, and a little bit. A little bit more. Just do a little bit more. Right there. How to look, oh my god. How to look cute when doing your makeup, I guess. I don't know. I never have. Don't look cute before, don't look cute during. I'm lucky if I look cute after. Wow, who is she? I'm going to take this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Gold Bronzer, pick it up. I'm going to pick up a lot. I'm going to tap off some of the excess. I'm going to pat it over. Well, it got in my mouth and it tasted really good, so. I don't know what this is turning into. This is the ugliest makeup tutorial I've ever done. Next, we're going to take a crap ton of blush. And if you don't believe me, what we're going to do is we're going to take the end of a brush. We're going to scrape the top layer a little bit so that the pigment is loose. And take the brush and I just wiggle it in there. Once again, just gonna, we're gonna feel the glow. I'm really liking that. Then I'm gonna take some highlighter, because this highlighter is like my skin tone, maybe a little bit darker. I'm gonna put that over as like a glowy blush topper. My baby. This is my baby. This is my love, my joy, my pride. This is my Dior Nude Air Luminizer in the shade 002. My heart. I'm going to take even the little brush it comes with because this is expensive. Oh my god. This is blinding. This can be seen in the dark. I'm not kidding you. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're just gonna take whatever is left on the brushes because I'm really grimy. I'm gonna run that under my eyes. And you know, my eyes are looking real closed off. Open them up with this NYX faux white eyeliner. Now I'm really looking like a crack whore. Do you ever think to yourself, I'm the ugliest person I know? Will I post this? Most likely not. But in the event that I do, just dislike this video. Just dislike it. Because I'm a Dior addict, I'm going to slide in with this Dior gloss in the shade 363 Nude. No lipstick. Nah. Now, to finish it off, take some spray. me trying to remember not to go overboard because I didn't powder and I am an oily girl. Okay, anyways, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this mess of a look. If you do recreate it, why would you? Do be sure to tag me at Makeup by Elena, 2 A's at the end, on Instagram. Go ahead and follow me there because that's really only where I post. And like and subscribe this if you want to. Honestly, probably dislike it because, again, a mess. Yes, hello, that's me. But you have a good day because this is making me not have a good day.